Welcome to Photoshop Killer Tips, brought to you by the National Association of Photoshop Professionals. Here's your host, Matt Kluskowski.
All right, today I've got a tip for you on how to find the exact center point of an object or a layer inside of Photoshop. Now, if you look at the example I have, I've got a background layer here, and then on top of it, I've got a layer that has a picture of the Earth on it. So it's the only thing that's on this layer, but I want to find the exact center point of this layer. Maybe you want to overlay another graphic onto it. Maybe you want to put some text on it, but there's a lot of reasons that you could want to find that exact center point. So the way we start this is first we need to see our rulers. So I'm going to go under View, Rulers. That's going to show me the rulers along the left and the top side here. Now I'm going to go into Free Transform mode, so press Control or Command on the Mac and the letter T, and that brings you in the Free Transform mode. Now, what you want to do is drag a guide out, and the way to do that, just position your cursor over in the left side and just drag a guide, and you can see the outline start to appear. But as I get near that center point, it's kind of not snapping to that center point for me, and that's what I want to do here. So let's put it back, and we'll go to View, Snap, and now if I take that guide, I drag one out, see how it snaps right to that center point there? We'll do the same thing from the top. It just snaps right there. As soon as I get close to it, it just snaps right to that center point. Then just press the Escape key. It gets you out of Free Transform mode, and now you have the exact center point of that layer inside of Photoshop. Hey, while I've got you here, check out PhotoshopWorld.com. The conference is coming up in Miami in March, and I'll be there training, which may be very insignificant to you, but there'll actually be a lot of great instructors there. So you can see who's there. You can also check out all of the classes that are going to be there. And even if you go to the conference and don't get to attend every class, you still get a huge workbook that has all the conference materials in it. So go check it out at PhotoshopWorld.com.